What's up you guys, this is Mansi. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the first vlog of 2021. It's going to be Delhi vlog part 1 and I'm going there to get my visa, but I'm super duper excited about Sarojini Nagar and Banjara market. If you guys don't know what these markets are, I think you are living under a rock, because these markets are one of the famous markets of Delhi and I think you must visit them. Sarojini Nagar specifically used to be on my vision board of 2020 and I used to tell everyone that hey, I want to go to Sarojini, I want to go to Delhi just for shopping. And yeah, call me crazy, but my dreams are like tiny, small, and I think that by achieving these tiny little dreams, you start to believe in dreaming and you start to dream bigger and better. And yeah, that's about it. I also want to eat food, okay? I want to try soya chap and momos. So let's see how that goes. I'm quickly going to leave the house and I will see you guys once I'm there in Delhi. Welcome to Delhi, you guys. We just came in the morning, and by we I mean me and my friend. We have the same date appointment for visa and interview, and we are staying at her relative's place, and that's the reason I can't vlog a lot in the house. But we are leaving for Banjara market and I thought of giving you guys an update. I'm gonna go get ready and then I'll see you in Banjara. Welcome to Banjara market, you guys. As we entered the market, on the right it was a lane full of crockery, pots, mugs, etc. I found a lot of stuff with blue pottery art and some really nice quality pots. We stopped at a lady and she was selling these cute little mugs. I really liked this mug, especially the color blocking effect, and it also had handles. She quoted initially 60 rupees, but then I got 4 of them and I saw people bargaining over there, so I got it for only rupees 30 each. The market was full of furniture. If you are setting up your home and if you are in Delhi, I think you must go there. You can set up a little corner using those Banjara products. I really like some vintage pieces like this candle holder, some carved mirrors, frames, chairs. Also, these standing mirrors are so much in trend and all over Instagram. There was a huge variety of decorative mirrors and statement decorative pieces. This market also had a lot of stalls filled with throws, rugs, cushion covers, and basically home related items. Lastly, I also found these trendy jute bags and got one for myself as well. We almost roam around the market for like good 2 to 3 hours, and then it was time to eat some yummy food. We ate Haldiram's Raj Kachori and it was so yummy, so delicious. Also the chole puris were really nice. And yeah, that's pretty much all we did. I am also going to make a haul video for Banjara Market, so stay tuned for that. Hi guys, this is a little bit later. I was editing this vlog, and after getting done with the editing, I realized that when I came back from Delhi, I came back to this beautiful PR by T&W, which is The Natural Wash, and they sent me 3 products and I have tried them a couple of times and I really like the concept. I can't give my words, but I am enjoying this product so far, and this video is not at all sponsored. I just wanted to share these products because they are organic and Ayurvedic. The first product that we have over here is this bottle of rose water. It's a facial toner and also works as mist and makeup remover. It says that it is for all skin types and it has no artificial fragrance or preservative, which is really good. I am going to include the close-up of each and every product. The next product that we have over here is this oat cleanser. Now when I heard that it is made of oats, I got really excited. This is how it looks from inside. It comes with this clear sort of a jar with powder consistency product inside. How you can use this is you have to mix this powder with this rose water toner that I just showed you. You just have to mix them and you have to massage it on your skin. It's kind of a scrub and you can rinse it off with water. It claims to remove tanning and it helps in closing the open pores. It also says that by using this product you can get rid of impurities and dead skin cells, which is really good. The next and the last thing that we have over here is this face wash. This is for dry to combination skin. It is made of almond oil and green tea extracts. It says that it is made with modern Ayurvedic formulation, and yeah, this is how the packaging looks from inside. All of these products are organic and Ayurvedic. If you want to shop any of these, you can use my coupon code, which is MANSI15, to get 15% off. And by this I'm not getting anything, it's just for my audience. I'm going to link each and every product in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. Also stay tuned for my next vlog to see if I got my visa or what are my thoughts on Sarojini Nagar and the surprise I got at the end of the trip. And yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, stay happy, stay tuned, and